am a little poor in calculation. Can you tell me the total? 120 years. This does not mean that everyone lives for 120 years, but each is born somewhere in the middle of some one period and completes the span in the same succession of planetary years, and up to which period he lives decided upon the position of the planets in his horoscope. For example, when the planet that afflicts the ascendant and the moon, when its period occurs, the person do not continue after that period. The planet which afflicts
Aspekt zum
moon
Mond
and
oder
the ascendant, or sun and the ascendant, or sun and the moon, any two of the three. Afterwards we will take an example and show you. So for the present, remember that we are born somewhere in one place and continue the periods in the same direction. For example, if I was born in Saturn period, suppose 7 years is left behind, that we are going to decide through calculation. So after that 7 years of Saturn's period, I will experience 17 years Mercury period. So from my 8th year I will have Mercury period. Next, the period of descending node. Next 20 years Venus. Next 6 years Sun. Like that it continues until the planet which kills comes. So this is one step. You have understood this one step? So if anyone has no doubts about this step, I will give the second step also. No, that is the starting, how to calculate the starting point of the period. We take the birth horoscope and take the longitude of the ascendant, and according to it, we will calculate the beginning period among these.
dieser Stände.
And also calculate how many years of the period is in balance. So from his birth rate, that particular period continues, and then the same order of other planets continues. Yes, even that is decided by the planet. The birth horoscope should be judged first. Judgment of the birth horoscope should be made. We have to decide which planet kills. We will also, if you want, I will also make a discussion of it. And then
Ich kann darüber auch noch später eine Diskussion führen.
in the period of that planet, the span will be completed. Now next point. Suppose it is understood that the person is going to die in Venus. It does not mean that within these 20 years he may die, but we get sub-periods to calculate. We get exactly the period when one incident occurs. So it is not the total periods we take into consideration, but we go into details. It is not the totals of the periods we take into consideration, but we are going to get in the details, because we are going to divide each period into sub-periods. So I will mention the second point, the sub-periods. This also same thing. The whole period, here the whole period is 120. Here the whole period is 6. You take proportion. If the total period is 120, Sun's period is 6 years. If the total period is 6 years, Sun's sub-period will be proportion. For example, 3 months and 18 days. If you calculate the proportion, you will get like that. The principle is this. When the total is 120 years, Sun's period is 6 years. When the total period is 6 years, Sun's sub-period in Sun period is this much. Similarly, next we have sub-period of Moon in Sun's period. That means the main period is Sun, But-
Spanne ist die Sonne.
but the sub-period will be the moon. So the combined influence of sun and moon will operate when that period is running. So when the total is 120, the moon's period is 10 years. But when the total is 6 years, the moon's sub-period will be calculation of proportion. Like that, next we get sub-period of Mars. That means Mars sub-period in Sun's period should be calculated in the same way. If the total is 120, Mars period is 7 years. If the total is 6 years, Mars period should be 4 months, 6 days. Like this, we get all the sub-periods up to Venus. Now, if we take a horoscope, go on adding these sub-periods, you will know when Sun and Moon is acting. You will know when Sun and Mars are acting. Like that, you will know the sub-periods and the main periods. You will decide the nature of incidents that occur in his life. If you add the simple transits of these two planets, you will get the exact dates of incidents. For example, if the Mars sub-period in Sun's period is occurring, if you take his birth horoscope and see where the Mars and the Sun are traveling, what aspects they are making with the birth horoscope, and what is the aspect of Moon to these planets at birth. That gives you the year, month and day of the incident. This is one method. So I have given you 2 steps. Tomorrow, by the time you come here, you calculate the sub-periods of Sun up to Venus. Then we will proceed to the next 2 steps. Anyone has not understood, again ask. Yes, that I have not yet discussed. We will take the ascendant, the degree, minutes, and if you know it perfectly well, also the seconds. Then according to that, we calculate the period under which you are born, and also the number of years and months and days that are left as balance when you are born. We will take that as the starting point and we will add it to the date of birth, and continuously we will be adding these sub-periods in the same succession. So tomorrow I will tell you the next 2 steps. Yes, we have not yet entered into the calculation of the period. It is only tomorrow we want a horoscope. Today we have given only the tables. Tables.
Die
This,
Tabellen gegeben.
I have introduced the planetary tables of that method. So
Okay.
we will take a horoscope and proceed. That is how we do from tomorrow. No. All the incidents, because death is not an incident at all. It is only a stop of incidents. This method is useful to know all the incidents before death and also spiritual aspects. More importantly, the guidance for the soul, guidance for initiation, and the nature of obstacles that are awaiting for your spiritual progress, and
Überwinden müssen.
the method of overcoming these obstacles. For that purpose, this method is used in India.
Und für
It is an age-old method. Even now, the Orthodox astrologers use this. Traditionals, the traditionals, when spiritual matters
Orthodox.
are to be considered. Because in the ordinary methods, we do not get much spiritual information. The methods of calculations given in the popular astrology, it gives only the rough outlines. From the moment you become self-conscious of your own spiritual path, the popular astrology fails to give results. So we cannot much rely upon the popular methods. We want a method which is directive and not predictive. Directive. Because we have the various levels according to which the planets work with us. Only when we are in the lowest of our consciousness, the planets work without fail, because they are to work under compulsory circumstances. When we are in the primitive stage of our emotions, that is totally on the materialistic plane of consciousness, our progress cannot be chosen by us. Then the planets have to choose for us. So they do not allow any choice to us. They work compulsorily. They make predictions correct. Our good and bad incidents occur infallibly, and they can be clearly predicted. Every incident can be very easily predicted when the human birth is lowest, that is most materialistic, most mundane, and most emotional. Then every planet gives his own explosion to the consciousness, and the consciousness always precipitates incidents. Whenever the consciousness comes into contact with others, it is not only contact, but it is also a conflict. Without conflict, we do not have a contact with others, whether it is animals or plants or human beings. So the planets precipitate actions by stimulating us. In that stage, what the planets do is they expose us to the required environment so that we may come into conflict with the environment and make our experiences often painful with others. This gives an expression to our emotions that are arranged in our tendencies in a beautiful succession according to what we have done previously.
Je nachdem, was
So, our previous behavior prepares tendencies in us. The succession of our previous behavior will arrange the succession of the incidents in this life and the tendencies into which we explode with others. For example, suppose I committed a crime in France and came to Germany. Suppose I killed a person in Paris. I have stolen some $10,000 from another person and escaped from the police. Took a train in the night without a passport. Suppose I could escape into Germany. Then if I stand here before you and while I am talking to you, the trend of incidents will be quite different from what I expected. See, I may be explaining astrology to you, but there will be a knock at the door, and then Paul will talk to the person and they say police. Then Paul will go and speak to them and they ask, is there any Indian in your house?
und er wird fragen,
So the succession of incidents is quite different from what I expect or what Paul expects or what all expect. This is the case when the person is lowest in his evolution. So every planet works as a police officer and a customs officer and a judiciary officer. So the planets always impose their discipline. For this reason, you can very easily predict for a person who is purely on the emotional level.
Yeah.
He has started his journey in the spiritual plane. If the question why I am born and in what direction I am going has come to his mind, what should I do if the question comes to his mind?
und was soll ich machen?
What should I avoid to do? What type of exercise I should give to my physical body? what type of work should I give to my mental body, in which branch I have to take my education, and with what profession I have to serve the public. If these questions come to his mind, and if he begins to live according to the answers of these questions, that means he is tackling with his karma in the right direction. Everyone has the sequence of cause and effect, but those who are tackling the sequence solve the problems of the sequence, pay off for what they have defaulted, and then they can stop further defaulting of anything. For example, the misbehaving with food and drink, the misbehavior with sleep, rest and work, and the misbehavior with sex, and the misbehavior with his wife, children and neighbors. When all these things are properly set right, the physical and the mental and the emotional karma will be neutralized. When such a process is taking place, when the action has already started, that starting point is called the great beginning, because when once we begin it for life. It is not for some time. So
Right.
such a beginning is what is called initiation. When initiation has taken place in your life, all the values begin to change, and the planets also begin to treat you in different terms. They suggest to you good things, and they will suggest that you can avoid bad things, but the choice is with you. If you care for the planet's suggestions, then your progress will be very quick. But if your temptation is stronger than the suggestion of the planets, there will be once again the trial and error method, and some more time will take place. This is the second stage of the action of the planets. That is, the planets suggest to you as well-wishers. So,
Vor.
the first stage is like police officers. The second stage is like the well-wishers.
Das,
And in the third stage, planets begin to work as, that is, when we resisted temptation, when we have learned how to follow the advice of the planets by simply understanding our environment every day, every hour and every minute, we can know how to follow the advice of the planets, because the planets place us in such an environment as is useful for our future evolution. They make it possible for good things to occur. They show many obstacles whenever our mind is in the wrong direction. If we care to know the will of the planets and the advice of the planets by understanding the environment and the persons around us every hour and every minute, then the planets begin to work as our friends. That is, they have many good things to make a gift to us. Until then, they cannot make any gift to us because we are not in a position to accept if they give. Now, when we can resist temptation, when we can understand the will of the planets, follow it in action, then the planets have many things to give to us. All the powers of the mind and the will
und das Denkvermögen,
that are existing under the folds of our evolution,
welche
they will be opened to us. We will be aroused into the innermost secrets of our consciousness. We will be placed under high opportunities. Great opportunities will be thrown before us. Only when the planets are sure, we do not use these opportunities for ourselves at all. Until then, we suffer from poverty. Sometimes it may be poverty of money, sometimes poverty of intelligence, sometimes poverty of courage, sometimes poverty of self-confidence.
Selbstsicherheit.
So the planets, will keep us under check and control with the poverty of something. This is true as far as the planets know. As far as the planets understand, we have a tendency to use opportunities for ourselves. This is the intricate mechanism with which the planets work. They take our psychological mechanism as their laboratory, and they always work as a purificatory process. This is the first 1 and 2 steps. When we have entered the third step, that is when the planets understood that we have no tendency to use anything to ourselves, then the planets have many gifts to give us, many presentations to do us. They may allow you to know the future either of yourself or of others, or they can give you the power to control the thoughts of others, or the power to command thousands of people. All these things will be given to you from the moment they know that you do not want to use any one of these things for yourself. In such a horoscope, it is very, very difficult to predict, because there will be no incidents occurring according to the horoscope. If you take the horoscope to the astrologer, he can never predict anything at all. Even the death he cannot predict, because the span of life of such a person is always variable, whereas the span of the lowest person is clearly fixed, because he misbehaves with everything. The planets know his tendencies. When it has become unbearable for the inner consciousness to live in that body, then the planets stimulate his mind into such an action that he will eat or drink enough to kill himself. Span of life can be clearly understood in the man of the lowest evolution, but in the horoscope of a